G'day guys, I've had a request for a couple of examples from question 4 in the factorisation section H on the background knowledge. So I thought I'd do a couple here. This is 4C. As with all factorising questions, the first thing you want to do is try and find the highest common factor and take that out if indeed there is one. When you've got bracketed terms and multiple things inside each term, try and keep it simple. So I'm going to go with the numbers first. Here I've got a 6 and a 9. Obviously the highest common factor of 6 and 9 is 3. Secondly, I've got this bracket x plus 2 occurring twice in the first term and once in the second term, so they both have one bracket in common. So you put the common factors out the front, what's left over? In that first term, if I've got to have 6, that must have been 3 times 2, and I'm supposed to have 2 of those brackets with x plus 2 in it being multiplied together. So I need one more of them. On the right hand term, 3's been taken out as a factor, so I need another 3. And then the x plus 2's gone out the front, that was a common factor, so that's all I've got there. Now it's just a matter of simplifying it to finish it off. 3 outside of x plus 2. Make sure you distribute there, so I'm going to have 2x plus 4 plus another 3, which gives me 2x plus 7. That's all there is to it. I've got one more here. Alright, so this is question H. 3 outside of 1 minus x plus 2, x plus 1, x minus 1. No obvious common factor with the numbers. In the brackets, none of the brackets are identical, but you can see this 1 minus x and x minus 1 are very similar. Whenever you've got two terms separated by a minus sign, and then another expression with them the other way, the way to do that is just to take out negative 1 as a factor. So if I take negative 1 as a factor out of the first bracket, I end up with negative 3. The x which was negative is now positive, and the one which was positive would now be negative. You can check if I expand that, I'll get the same expression. What that's allowed me to do is come up with a common factor, the bracket x minus 1. What do we do with a common factor? Put it out the front when we're factorising, put the remaining terms inside the bracket, like that, and now it's just a matter of simplifying. Negative 3 plus 2x plus 2, remembering to distribute that 2, simplify it off and you're done. 2x take 1. I hope that helps. Cheers.